How did it get in there?
Did you eat one? He's a wobbly one! Yeah! What's keepy uppy? You have to keep the balloon in the air and can't let it touch the ground. What happens if it touches the ground? Bottomless. I'm never getting out of this. There. So, did you know, Bluey, Yellow Car, the little chubby gnomes climb up the traffic light and paint them red and green? If grown-ups grow from babies and only grown-ups have babies, who had the first baby? I can't do it. I'll never be able to drink water again. Pull it to bugger the wall, ding ding. Now on to love him metal. Row, row, row your boat gently down the street. Carrot horn. There's a house with a wall, with a wall, with a wall. Dad,
Yeah?
how does the baby get in the lady's belly?
Oh!
Dad knows nothing. Breakfast
What? What?
Breakfast time! Who wants bacon?
But it's the middle of the night!
Who wants night bacon? She is looking for my beans. Hey! Where are the beans? Oh, this is difficult.
Bit harder, honey. Give it a good whack.
Tomorrow meadow. 3 men, 2 men, 1 man and his dog. One tomorrow meadow. Oh, yo, bang, bang.
Oh, dear.
Where was I?
You weren't born yet, sweetheart.
Ooh, I was invisible. Oh, biscuits.
Bingo.
And a giant popcorn.
And a small popcorn.
Oh. Loud. Dark. So why aren't you friends?
Well, we just need to get to know each other a bit better first.
How long will that take?
It'll take as long as it takes.
You sure take a long time to make friends.